Okay, so today we're going to be starting a M 1.5 horse International. One of the main things I've noticed on YouTube is people think this is a hit and miss, and it technically isn't. It's a throttle governed engine. I'll explain that a little farther in the video here. But what I'm first going to do is show you how to start one of these, because it's a little more complex than just turn the flywheels and it'll go. So I guess we'll get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is make sure you have, if you already grease things, you're fine, but you want to make sure you have grease and everything. You also want to make sure you have oil in your thing. If you're only going to run it for like a minute or two, you don't technically need water in it, but if you're going to run it longer than that, you'll want water in these. You'll want to have all the holes oiled. As you can see, there's quite a few different oil holes. There's 2 on the mag, there's I think 4 under the mag for all the cam stuff. You want to oil the valves. If you're running it off the governor, you want to have the governor oiled up good. If you're running it like I am, where you can see there's a wire there that goes up. This is the wire right here. That holds the throttle closed, so it'll run slow. But yep, you'll want to have everything greased and oiled before you get going. You'll want that all done. Then you'll want to see this here. You're going to need to pump that. But you want to get down there, and if you see this little brass dot, you'll basically want to press down on that multiple times. Press down on this. So once you have whatever you're going to press it with, I just have a ratchet here. You get that down right on top of that brass spot, and you start pressing. It's fairly easy to pop off unless you have a good tool for it. But you'll hear it start pumping. Then, as I'll show here, that you'll need to go up to the carburetor. There's the little plug, and you'll want to go watch that to make sure you got it full of gas before you start. And then you should be ready to go to starting this thing. So, I guess we'll get started. Okay, so it should be as fairly simple as have if yours is a kerosene, you want to have your kerosene knob turned at a quarter turn, normally-ish. That kind of changes depending on the engine you have. You'll want to choke it a few moments. So I just did the 2 chokes on the turn there. Up over that, and spin it. And there you go. You've got a running M engine. Okay, so if you like this video, give it a like. If you didn't, you shouldn't be watching this far. If you want to see more hit and miss and small air-cooled engine related stuff, please subscribe. I try to post something every week. If you have something you want to say that you think I did wrong or something that you would like to add to this, please leave a comment. If you know someone that this will help out, please share the video. So, thanks for watching. I hope the wind didn't cause too much trouble, but I bet there's going to be some wind disturbance in this. But, see you next time. Bye-bye. So, something you want to note on these is the main rod bearing, the piston rod bearing greaser cup is on the crankshaft, and you grab it to tighten it. It's reverse thread, so it tightens as the engine's running, so you can grease it actively. So that's kind of a cool thing to note if you're new to this.